This video covers the full diminished 7th chord arpeggio for F sharp minor, the key of F sharp minor. That has 3 sharps in it. Well, the notes in the chord are, you go up minor thirds. Start on F sharp, and then up a minor third is an A. Another, go up here is a C, and then here. And that's it. Using this black key and this black key, what's here? Those 2 black keys. Well, we have 2 black keys together like this, then the 4th, we use 3 and 4 on the black keys, 1 and 2 on the white keys, and that's both hands that do that. So we're starting on F sharp, so in the right hand, you're going to start on 4th finger, because that's the one that's on it. Now you think, well, why not just start on 2nd finger? It's there, and I'm saying for this exercise, start on 4th finger. When you get it in music, you might start on 2nd finger. Here, but here use 4th finger, and then in the right hand, or the left hand, excuse me, it's 3rd finger. Here, do the tremolo exercise on this one. It's really important. This helps to get this spreading the fingers out. This is one of the first arpeggios you work on when you start working on the arpeggios for F sharp minor or A major, actually. Either 3 sharps in the key signature. This is the diminished 7th chord you want to start. Do first. I'll get there eventually. So before we do the A major triad or the F sharp minor triad, we do this one first, because this helps to get our fingers apart. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4 octaves up and down on this one. You don't really have to go, 1 and 2 octaves is fine when you're first starting out. But generally speaking, you want to eventually do this 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves up and down. So do the tremolo exercise. I don't care where you start. We'll just say, to keep it short, we'll just say 1 and 2 octaves, 1 and 2 notes per beat. So let's just say we're here, and it's 1 octave, 1 note per beat. And then once you've done that up and down, then do 2 octaves. So forth to up and down. This drills it into your fingers, and then do the arpeggio. At least 1 and 2 octaves. It's better if you can go 4, and it's the same pattern we use for the regular triad arpeggios. Is you do it once you hit 4 octaves, 4 notes per beat. You do the parallel and contrary both. But you just need to start down here. Then 2 octaves. Pattern, contrary and parallel throughout the whole thing. You don't have to start down. If that's too low, you can't start on this F. It just makes you go an octave higher. Depends on which notes you want to hear, I guess. I don't know. But that's the full F sharp diminished 7th arpeggio.